Question number 81. Let's read it. 10 moles of an ideal gas at 27 degrees Celsius expands isothermally and reversibly from a volume of 12 liter to 240 liter. The work done in the process is. Student, we know that for a reversible expansion, W is equals to minus 2.303 nRT log V2 upon V1. Let's put the values. Minus 2.303, number of moles is equals to 10, R is equals to 8.314 multiplied by temperature, which is 300 log 240 upon 12. So this is 20. Student, I have calculated and multiplied the entire thing. The answer is minus 74733 joules, which is minus 74.73 kilojoules. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 82. Let's read it. Consider the following reactions. A to B, the value of delta H is minus X. 2B plus C gives 3D, the value of delta H is Y. Half E gives D, the value of delta H is minus Z. We have to calculate the value of delta H for the reaction 2A plus C gives D plus E. Student, we know that delta H is an additive property. So let's see the value of delta H for given reaction. First of all, A gives B. Here it is 2A, so we have to multiply the first equation by 2. So we'll get minus 2x. In the second reaction, we have to reverse. So let's talk about the second reaction. We have to, as it is, take the second reaction. 2B plus C gives 3D. So plus Y. Next reaction, we have to reverse the reaction and multiply it by 2. So we'll get 2 into D gives half E. And the value of delta H will becomes 2Z. So student, the overall reaction becomes 2A plus C gives D plus E, and the value of delta H for the overall reaction will become minus 2x plus Y plus 2Z. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is question number 83. Let's read it. Consider the following statements. HF is a stronger acid than water. Student, this is a correct statement. BF3 is a Lewis acid. This is also a correct statement. Has the ability to accept an electron pair. Moving to next. Conjugate bases of weak acids are very strong. This is also a correct statement. That means all the given 3 statements are correct. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question, which is question number 84. Which among the following is an extensive property? Students, among the given options, pH, surface tension and density are intensive properties. On the other hand, entropy is an extensive property. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is question number 85. Let's read it. At 298 Kelvin, which of the following reactions represents enthalpy of formation? Student, for this question, first of all, we have to understand enthalpy of formation. The standard enthalpy change for the formation of 1 mole of a compound from its elements in their most stable states of aggregation is called as standard molar enthalpy of formation. Among the given options, option number 2, that is reaction number 2, that is 2 carbon graphite plus 3 H2 gaseous plus half O2 gaseous gives C2H5OH liquid, represents enthalpy of formation of ethanol. Here we have taken carbon graphite, and graphite is thermodynamically the most stable state of carbon. So this reaction represents enthalpy of formation of ethanol. So the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question,